Are you looking for a way to plan your next trip or just like to know interesting places around the world? You've come to the right place. On this channel, you'll find videos that cover a lot of helpful information, curiosities, attractions, activities, cultural events, and much more about the best places you can visit on Earth. We also provide helpful tips and tricks to make your travels as smooth and stress-free as possible. Our videos are English spoken and we invite travelers from all over the world to join us and explore the world since it's very easy to get automatic translated captions to the main existing languages on Earth. If you enjoy our videos, please, in addition to liking, make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon to ensure that you'll receive notifications whenever a new content is released. Also, remember to read all the tips written in the descriptions as they will give you even more useful information. We also love to hear your comments, questions and suggestions for future videos, so please, leave us a message whenever possible. Note, our videos are created and edited by Remarketing Digital, a digital agency certified in Google and digital marketer whose mission is to transform local businesses into references in the region in which they operate. There's a link inside the description where you can get more information. Maybe we can help you to grow your business. Thank you for watching and we hope to hear from you soon.